Hello, welcome to Pike Creek Farm. My name is Renee, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. I live in the thumb of Michigan, and I like to do videos on canning and baking and vintage recipes and just life here at this stage of life. I am semi-retired and am enjoying, trying to be thrifty while still thriving and balancing all of that so that we can live thrive in life and still pay all the bills. So if that sort of thing interests you, come on along. I would love to have you here. And today it's May. And so in April, I did Vintage Kitchen April, and I had a lot of vintage recipes. A lot of them were based around ham because of Easter and things that I grew up with my mom making and then I've made, and I shared those recipes. And so one of my videos I did was about a term I saw on TikTok called 90's butter mom, and I'm one of those. It's funny because there was a lot of margarine used back then. Now I did like butter more than margarine, but it should be margarine moms, I think, is more common. But now we know better and we use butter. So I'm gonna have May be 90's Butter Mom May. I'm gonna share recipes that I used to make when I was raising my kids, when I was first married, things that I got from like church cookbooks, and I'll share some of those cookbooks. I'm gonna share those recipes. And to be honest with you, a lot of those are things that I still make. I guess, I'm a creature of habit, and I make those recipes. Like tonight, I'm doing oven-baked barbecue chicken. I made that all the time when my kids were young. I am going to have green beans, canned green beans, home canned green beans, but still canned green beans. I am going to have, I think I'm going to do boiled potatoes, either boiled or baked. I haven't decided. My mom always did those, and I do them too. I love boiled potatoes with butter and parsley and salt and pepper. And then a side salad. I used to make salads all the time, and toss salad to have with dinner. My kids ate them. My mom always made them. In fact, here's a funny story. We were making salads, and my mom's dad was there, and Grandma had passed away, a few years prior. So he was up for the summer, and she was taking the core out and took the outside leaves. It was, head lettuce, the iceberg lettuce. And she took the outside leaves off, and Grandpa's like, well, that's a waste of money. What are you doing with those? You shouldn't throw those away. Just add them into the salad. And they were, little not so great looking. So my mom and her dad, sometimes they could go round and round. She was the oldest daughter. She looked at me and said, Daddy, fine, then I'll put them all in your bowl. Well, no, I don't want them all. I want some of the good stuff too. And she's like, Daddy, these 2 leaves are going in the garbage. Actually, I think we had a rabbit at that time, and the rabbit ate them. So, but we were always making salads, and it was a chore that got passed along to me because she got tired of making salads. It's chopping up everything. But salads are one of those things that I'd love to have, but when you go to someone else's house or to church and someone's made a salad, why does it taste better when you didn't have to do the work yourself? Anyway, so that's what we're having tonight. Barbecue chicken done in the oven, and side salads, and green beans, canned green beans, and probably baked potato. That's a 90's Butter Mom meal. And then we'll put butter and sour cream on our baked potato. Although a lot of times now I use Greek yogurt because I have that in the house. So Greek yogurt is a great replacement. So this month I'm going to be featuring recipes from the 90's that I used to make, some of my kids' favorites, and I've asked them both. I need to get more from my son, but my daughter gave me a list. Everything from like meatloaf shepherd's pie to 2-step chicken, stuffed peppers, chicken spaghetti, and that's from a church cookbook, and it's different than other ones I see. There's no tomatoes in it. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to go through those old church cookbooks from back then and share those with you, and some of the favorite recipes, the pages that have all the fingerprints and everything on them. So it should be fun, and, you know, some of those mom recipes. I'm also going to be doing some canning this month and some other things. But I'm going to tie in like some budgeting, and it's kind of like 90s budgeting. It's like a retro budgeting technique that's becoming popular now, and I kind of chuckled. But I'll do another video on that. Just those vintage things. And then some desserts included too. I made a Texas sheet cake for church, and it had been years since I had made a Texas sheet cake, since I had the kids at home and was making things for Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, church youth group. So that's a great recipe, Texas sheet cake. It was as good as I remember. So that's what I'm going to be working on this month, and they'll be starting up right away, and along with some other little videos added in. But I just wanted to let you know, and thank you for everyone that viewed the Vintage April recipes, and I hope you'll stay tuned for Butter Mom May. Thank you for being here, and we'll see you next time at Pike Creek Farm.